Hi, Mercedes Carrasco here from Schwartz Communications. Last day at HIMSS was really great. We've heard from a lot of clients over the past couple of days, heard that they've had really great booth traffic and had a lot of productive meetings. Finished up the day with an interview with Mike Miliard from Healthcare IT News. He's been on the show floor all week long, talking to a lot of interesting companies. Hear what he has to say.
The big trend, obviously, the one that everybody's talking about still is meaningful use. A lot of people are still trying to get there, and a lot of people who have reached it are trying to head on to the next stage and really make meaningful use translate into meaningful results. One thing that I found very interesting was a sort of marketing strategy. A smaller EHR vendor and patient portal company called MIE and No More Clipboard created a fake EHR company called Extormity, which kind of typifies the worst excesses of some big vendors, perhaps. My publication, Healthcare IT News, was tweeting almost continuously throughout the whole conference. And one of the most read articles on our site was about the Mayo Clinic launching a social media center. One of the most watched videos was about why your hospital needs a social media policy.
Wrapping up with some really interesting perspective from some of our clients. They talked about everything from meaningful use to improving efficiencies in healthcare.
One of the big themes in healthcare IT currently and for the next 3-4 years is going to be meaningful use. Stage 2 is starting to look like it will be a much more significant step in terms of their capabilities required around clinical decision support. They're expected to become much more stringent.
Folks are really busy out there. They've got a ton on their plate. You've got ICD-10, you've got meaningful use, you've got all of the pieces, parts within that to achieve that goal.
Certainly interoperability has been the key theme of this show from my perspective, and I think that is the key takeaway from this meeting, that both common to our HIS vendor partners and to us for our common customers is to create that seamless connectivity between systems.
Thanks for following us at Schwartz PRX. We'll see you next year in Vegas.